Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about how to work with brands and get free samples as a smaller creator. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to join the Slay Squad because we be slaying over here, okay? Period. Okay, honestly, TikTok is where it's at when it comes to getting free samples and free products from brands, bigger brands, smaller brands, whatever. You could work with brands on TikTok and get free products. Did you know? Y'all, I literally be getting so much free stuff from TikTok, like it's crazy. So basically you go on TikTok. I'm about to show y'all real quick. Okay, so you go into TikTok and then you go into TikTok Studio, go into TikTok Shop for Creators, and then go to Product Marketplace. And from here, you go to the free sample category. And then from here, you can see where you can pick which item that you would like to get a free sample. So from here, you pick which sample you want, like what product you want to get. You can get a free sample, and then if the company want to work with you, they'll send you the product, and then you have to make a video. So you just select that you want the free item, and then they have 7 days to approve your request. So it's not guaranteed that you're going to get these free products, but most likely you're going to get the free product. So you submit your request, they approve it, and then they send you the free product. Once you get the product, then you make a video. So I actually have a few products that I have gotten previously that I just got over the last couple days, and I'm about to open it today. Okay, so I'm about to open my packages. I got some packages from TikTok. I'm about to show y'all what I got. Hey. Okay, this is the first package. Let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so I ended up getting an electric shaver, and this is from one of the brands. They ended up reaching out to me, and they said I can get a free sample, so a free product. I just have to make the video, and then I could get a chance to earn commission if I get someone to buy the product. So that's like literally the only thing I don't like as far as getting free products from brands. I don't really care about getting free products. I need to get paid for me making content. And the only way for me to get paid is through commission, and I don't really like that part. So yeah, but I like getting free stuff. As you can see, I got this free shaver. And then I have to make a video for this company. So I'm gonna do that another day, but let's get into the next package. Okay, y'all, so I ended up getting these Real Technique brushes, this brush set. And why did they put it in here all raggedy? Like, y'all see it's all raggedy, it's all pushed up. It's like damaged. They petty. I swear, when y'all get free stuff, they do not care how you receive your item. It's like you getting it for free, so they just gonna do anything. They gonna give you basically anything because you didn't spend your money on it, so they just gonna give you anything, pretty much. So yeah, I ended up getting this for free. Okay, y'all, let's see what else I got. Okay, so I ended up getting some castor oil from a company. They reached out to me on TikTok, and they ended up sending me this product, and then now I have to make a video. I don't even know what type of video I'm gonna do with this product. Okay, let's get into the next one. Okay, y'all, so I end up getting some boots. Let's get into it. I cannot wait to make a video of these shoes on TikTok so I can earn commission. Y'all, so far on TikTok commission, I've earned $4. $4. So I literally have to step my game up and try to earn as much commission as I can, because these brands, they're not paying me to make videos. They're just sending me the free products, and then I have to try to earn commission or whatever. But yeah, these are the boots. They're supposed to be like rain boots, like waterproof. So cute. Yes. A company did reach out to me and they paid me $600 to make 2 videos for them. They found me on TikTok. They reached out to me. They sent me the product. I made a video for them. I made 2 videos for them, and then they paid me $600. So I want more brand deals like that. Getting free products is cool, but I would rather make $600+ to make content. So this is the next item I got. This is a nice jacket. Cute little jacket I end up getting for the free ski. Why did they get this from Target? This jacket came from Target, y'all. They funny. So what they doing is basically reselling. They'll get some items from Target or anywhere, any other store like Marshall's, whatever, and then they sell it on TikTok. Wow. But good thing I had to buy it. But yeah, cute little jacket or whatever. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to basically show y'all how to get free products and work with brands, because I've been trying to work with brands and stuff like that on my YouTube journey, and I've only had like 1 brand reach out to me to make a video, and that was, I ended up getting paid for that video. And all the other videos or all the other brands that reached out, they basically want to try to give me free product. I don't want free products. I would like to have the free product, and I want to get paid to make my content. I'm still trying to get in my YouTube bag, but TikTok is where it's at for me right now. I'm having so much fun over there. I'm actually almost at 10,000 followers on TikTok. So follow me on TikTok, subscribe to me on YouTube, and follow me on Instagram. Okay, turn me up, period. Hey, stay tuned for the next video. Bye.